I always like to ask is, how do our solutions proactively detect and prevent fraud, including the advanced attacks like card testing and enumeration, while leveraging industry-leading sources like the TC40 data?
That's a very good question. I think you talked about the enumeration side too, because that's one thing we don't hear as much when we start talking about VAMP and these updates. Card testing is big. That's something that not every merchant, not every acquirer, not every ecosystem starts to recognize until it's too late. So I think the biggest thing is start even before you get there. So we talk about merchant onboarding, risk sets. What additional data assets can you use and leverage to make sure you're accepting the right customers? Whether that be more on the acquiring side from the merchant angle or from the merchant side on the customers that are actually making purchases from you. Start out when they create an account, when they land on your webpage. Leveraging AI and machine learning driven tools is more important than ever, and making sure that those tools also leverage the TC40 feedback loop. That's another big consideration when we talk about AI, we talk about machine learning, what you can do to prevent these up front. Well, if you're not looking at the right data and the rules are starting to change, and now we're putting more of the weight and focus on true TC40, well, we got to make sure that TC40 is included in the AI and the machine learning. That's one of the things that we've really done from the Equifax side from the get-go. What can we do to prevent TC40 before it gets too far down the road?
Yeah, and like Robert's talking about, we have some products that will help eliminate some of the bad players up front before you even take the orders from them, so they don't even have a chance to file dispute, turn it into a TC40. But on the back end as well, maybe they are good players and they're just having a bad day. Maybe they're, because of the tariffs, they can't afford what they bought and they don't want to pay for it. So they're going to call in and do a first party fraud or friendly fraud. We have products that can help manage that as well and help reduce those TC40s from hitting your account and some of those non-fraud disputes as well.